guys, I'm Rachel and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you're looking, subscribe, okay? Okay. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. You can follow me on all my social media, Shades of Chels and Chels Makeup Edition. So today I created this Vampy lip with gold eyes. From today moving forward, every look I create will be for the holiday season. I am going to bring all the Christmas looks and the holiday party looks and everything because I know this is the season and so many of us have different events and things to attend, so I am going to bring it. Grab your pen, grab your paper, grab your tools, take notes, do whatever you need to do, honey, because we are going in on the holiday looks. All the glitter, all the glam, everything nice. This is the season, deck the halls. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So we're starting off with the eyes. I did my base off camera. I'm using this laralee Los Angeles palette and this very soft brown. I can't remember the name of it, but it's a very soft brown. And looking back, I think I should have gone with a brown that's a bit deeper, but we roll with the punches. So I'm using this softer brown to sort of create a base for me for everything going over top as usual. I'm blending back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Then I'm reaching for my Morphe 25B palette and I am reaching for this gold on a small definer brush, and I'm gonna spritz my brush with some setting spray. Always wet your brush, it helps the glitter and the shimmers to apply more pigmented and more foiled looking. And I'm applying that over on my lids directly to the crease. My crease is my borderline, and I'm curving the end. I'm not bringing it right out because I want to add a darker color to the end of my eyes. And here I'm just neatening up that a little bit. Take your time. Then I'm using my Morphe gold glitter liner and I'm going directly from the tube over the gold shadow that I just placed down. All that glitters is gold. Now I'm using a smaller definer brush and I'm adding a darker brown. The reason why I did my eyes the way I did, because I want to place that brown right there, and I'm dragging it out to create more cat eye effect. And after I get the shade and the pigment that I want, I'm bringing the excess inwards towards the inner corner of my eyes, just to add a little more definition. That's why I said I should have gone with a deeper brown. I think it would have looked nicer. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going back in with that first brown that I used and that blending brush, and I'm just blending the edges so that everything is more seamless. I'm taking a flat definer brush and that same brown, and I'm just defining my bottom lashes. It's a very simple look to achieve, guys. Now I'm going with my Rimmel liner in this nude color and I'm applying that in the waterline. I didn't want to add black today. Going back in with that palette I started with, and this gold, it's a bit lighter. I'm using a smaller brush and I'm applying it in the inner corners of my eyes just to make my eyes look a little more open and to create more contrast with the gold on the lids. Going back in with that gold, I lined the inner corner of my line. I forgot it wasn't recording, so that's what I did. Now I'm gonna add some glitter because I felt like the look was missing something. I'm using my NYX glitter glue, and here I failed at showing you the glitter. Yep, I must throw something down. So I placed the glitter on the back of my hands and I'm using a very small concealer brush. Applied the glitter and the glitter glue, and then I'm applying the glitter over top. And I'm not packing it on too much, I'm just trying to get it sparingly, and I'm applying it more to the center of my eyes just to get this pop. Take your time and do the same thing on the other eye. Using my Milani blush in Fantastical Mauve, I'm applying that to my cheeks with a fan brush. And You know the drill. I must set my face. I want everything to be dissolved. I did my base off camera. You can check that. I'll leave a link on the top. Is that IOC? You can check that out. I'm using my Omrizi and my ColourPop highlight, and I applied it to the usual places. I left that out because I'm always doing it. And now I went in with my Kiss number 3 lashes, so wispy, and I'm applying those to my lashes. Now that I'm done, I'm dabbing that excess gloss off my lips, and I'm going to do a cocktail because the color that I wanted, I didn't have it in my collection. Shocking. So I'm mixing Cherry Blossom from Colored Rain. And take your time when you're applying liquid lips as well. Try to stay within the lines of your lips. And I'm going over that with Maybelline lip lacquer in a Possession. I can't remember the name, but everything will be in the description box down below. I'm trying to create this plummy look, but I want a little more red in it, and the red was too red and this was too dark, so mixing the two gave me what I wanted, and that's a completed look. I love the way it turned out. You can try. That's my first holiday look for the season. And I'm going back with some concealer and gently cleaning the edges because it could bleed a little bit, so I'm just making sure everything stays in place. So everything will be in the description box. Be sure to check that out. I'm just adding some hydrating spray to the corners of my face. Okay guys, so this is a completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Comment down below what looks you would like to see me do for the holiday season. Like I said, everything would always be in the description box. All my social media links, everything would be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.